In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert sheet in Excel. This is a very simple task, but it is an important one to know because worksheets help you organize different sets of data inside the same Excel workbook. If you want to separate information into multiple pages, adding a new sheet is the quickest way to do it. To begin, look at the bottom left area of your Excel window. This is where your current sheet tabs are displayed. These tabs show the worksheets that already exist in your workbook. If you already have one or more sheets open, you will see their names listed there in a row. This section is important because it gives you access to all of the worksheets in the file and lets you manage them easily. Once you have found the sheet tabs, look right next to them for the New Sheet button. This button appears as a small plus sign icon. It is usually positioned beside your existing sheet tabs, so it is easy to spot once you know where to look. The plus sign is the control Excel uses to create a brand new worksheet. Now click the New Sheet button. As soon as you click it, Excel will insert a new blank worksheet into the workbook. You do not need to confirm anything, and there are no extra menus to open for this method. The new sheet appears instantly, which makes this the fastest way to add another worksheet while you are working. After you click, you will see the new blank worksheet appear to the right of your active sheet tab. This means Excel places the new sheet next to the sheet you are currently using. That can be helpful for keeping related worksheets grouped together in a logical order. If needed, take a quick look at the bottom of the screen to confirm that the new sheet has been added. You should now see an additional tab in the row. Excel will usually give it a default name, and the blank worksheet will open right away so you can begin entering data immediately. This is useful anytime you want to keep different categories of information separate without creating a completely new file. It keeps your workbook organized and makes navigation easier as your project grows. That covers everything you need to know.